Where do we find these cars? Another lovely performance hatchback, VW Golf GTI Performance, 2019, 19 registration, covered 14,000 miles in Issac Blue, big features, 19-inch Brescia wheels, opening panoramic sunroof, and the performance pack, which gives it a few little lovely key features. 2-litre petrol, 245 brake horsepower, DSG gearbox in the 7.5 model, which is the facelifted Golf GTI. One owner from new, full VW service history. This car is really, really, really beautiful. Sell loads of GTIs. Again, another pristine example. Now, in the 7.5 model, which is the facelifted front and rear end, VW have done some real subtle changes. So you've still got this lovely red stripe across the boot. In the 7.5 model, the stripe goes into the lights, distinguishing that from the older 7 model. Also got rid of the adaptive cruise radar, which is now situated behind the VW badge. But this car in Issac Blue is pristine. The wheels make the car. Again, in the Performance Edition, you've got bigger brakes, red calipers still, but you've got the GTI decals on the calipers from the Performance Edition. Again, bigger brakes because it is slightly faster, the car. Does brake a lot better than a normal GTI. 5-door car, big option, panoramic open tilt and slide sunroof. Now the car's done 14,000 miles as you'd expect. It's stunning all round. 7.5 rear end, the new tail lights, which I'll show you. I'll turn the indicators on. And stolen from Audi, VW in the 7.5 has done the dynamic rear indicators, darkened rear tail lights, different exhaust now on the 7.5 Performance, bigger exhausts, front and rear sensors. We've got loads of boot space. A daily user, you can drive this car normally. Brilliant suspension settings, so it's very comfortable to drive on a daily basis, but it also performs when you need it to, very fast. And then inside, iconic tartan crosshatch interior sports seats. Look at it inside. This car is brand new inside, and I mean it. The previous keeper, we've took it in part exchange, bought it new from VW. Very careful gentleman, looked after the car superbly well. Everything's been done on time, and it's beautiful inside. So 7.5, you still retain them beautiful sports seats. The DSG gearbox in these is seamless. Can't even feel the car change gear. And it does have a very, very nice noise to this car when you start it up and you drive it. It fires through the gears. Get lots of these cars, but for some reason it sounds a little bit better than the normal ones that we get. So, key features on the inside, flat bottom steering wheel. In the 7.5 model, if you come inside, I'll just turn these hazards off, you do get the digital display. So behind the steering wheel is all digital. It's not changeable like the Audi one, so you can't change the size of the clocks, but you can put your map in the middle of there, so you can put that on. Touchscreen interface. This car actually comes with gesture control as an option in the 7.5 model. We've still got nav, phone applications, got front and rear parking sensors with reversing camera, heated seats, digital climate control, different driving modes for the car. Individual, sport, normal, eco, very, very, very easy to use. The infotainment system is lovely. You've got hold assist, electronic handbrake, and of course with the VW's adaptive cruise control, which is brilliant really. So 2 keys for the car, keyless start. What a car it is. Lovely condition, 14,000 miles, 28,990, live priced in the market today. Not the cheapest one, but it's got the spec, it's a performance, it's got the wheels, it's got the roof. It's a very classy colour, and it's about the mileage, the history, the ownership, and the condition of this vehicle. Beautiful car. My name's Richard, thanks for watching.